Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to apply heat transfer vinyl to awkward spaces simply by using a flat iron. I received an order from a friend of mine. She would like for me to make her a gift for her daughter. So we're going to be applying heat transfer vinyl to the front and personalizing it. And I'm going to show you just how easily it's done. Once you're in the Cricut design space, you have to remember when you're working with heat transfer vinyl, everything is backwards. So you're going to take this name, Gracie, that I have used a cute Valentine font, and you're going to go up here to where it says flip, and you're going to flip horizontal. The items that you're going to need, of course, is your stuffed animal toy. You're going to need a pair of scissors, your weeding tool, and this piece of scissor easy weed vinyl still has a lot of life in it. It's kind of been cut. I've used it to make some others, so I'm going to use this. I have this is like a heat protectant whenever I go to apply the name to the stuffed animal. And I simply use this flat iron. I had used it before for my hair, and it still has a lot of life in it. Just a flat iron, and it's gonna have, I'll plug it in a little bit and warm it up and show you how we do that. When working with heat transfer, once again, everything is backwards. You're gonna take the shiny side and it's gonna actually go down on the mat. And yes, my mats are getting dirty. I will do a tutorial soon on how I clean them, but right now they still have a lot of life left in them. So I'm going to go cut out my name that I'm going to apply to this. I cut my piece of vinyl out, and I like to cut it down and put it face down on the mat, and then I start to weed it. And I take that back. This is not the scissor easy weed. I have so much vinyl. I got this confused. But any type of heat transfer vinyl is going to work. I just prefer the scissor easy weed because it is what it says it is. It's easy to weed. Okay, so once you're finished weeding, you end up with a sticker that looks like this. Now that I have my sticker, I'm going to place it on here. I'm going to have to turn this sideways for just a second so I can see what I'm doing here. And actually I'm going to cut just a little bit off the top here. You want to kind of cut it as close as you can. And I'm going to place it on here and try to center it as best as I possibly can. And it will look something like this. So then you take this heat protectant, and I have had my flat iron heating up. I set my flat iron to 392 degrees. It goes all the way up to 455. You don't want to go that high because it could actually melt the vinyl. So let me try to get more this way so that you guys can see. So basically you just take your flat iron and you're just gonna, I just kind of press like this for just a few seconds and release. That pretty much does it. You don't really need so much all of that. Now I'm just gonna kind of go here, press just a little bit. Okay, I am finished. I'm gonna go ahead and turn my flat iron off. And now we're just going to slowly, let me try from this side. We are going to slowly peel this off. I kind of do it at a diagonal. And it's on there. Well, you can tell that you can see the flat iron mark, so I just kind of take my fingers and fluff that back up again. And there we have it, an adorable, personalized stuffed animal. And it was very simple to do.